When industry leaders said cybersecurity has hit a critical inflection point, what exactly did they mean? To understand that, you need to look at Anthropic's latest announcement. In this video, I will make you to understand why last week's Anthropic announcement might be the most important AI security story of 2025. Okay, so here's the deal. Last week, Anthropic revealed something that should honestly scare every single person working in AI. And it's not what you think it is. They discovered the first documented large-scale AI-powered cyber attack. And here's the crazy part. China-backed state actors were using Claude, their own AI, to run espionage campaigns. But wait, let me be specific about this. We're not talking about hackers using AI as a side tool. We're talking about Claude powering 90% of their cyber operation. That's not a feature, that's the entire attack infrastructure. Think about what that means for a second. A country with literally trillions in resources spent developing cyber weapons, and then they realized, why bother? We can just use a chatbot everyone has access to. And here's the thing nobody's talking about. Anthropic didn't just uncover this randomly. They built detection systems specifically to catch this behavior, which means they were expecting it. They knew this was coming. So the question becomes, if Anthropic saw it coming, why is everyone acting surprised? Look, here's where this gets really interesting. Anthropic built Claude to help humanity. Their whole marketing, their entire positioning, it's about safe AI that benefits people. They even talk about constitutional AI, human values, all that stuff. But then they discovered the most effective use case for Claude right now, today, is running cyber espionage for governments. That's not a small contradiction. That's the core paradox of 2025's AI industry staring them right in the face. And get this, OpenAI's been talking about AI safety for years. Anthropic positioned themselves as the real safety company, yet here we are. One of their flagship products is literally the weapon of choice for state-level cyber operations. It's like building a fire extinguisher company, then realizing your extinguishers are the best way to spread fire. And the scary part? You can't stop people from buying them. But here's what Anthropic said that really caught my attention. Anthropic didn't just say, hey, we found an attack. No, they said something way more serious. Cybersecurity has reached a critical inflection point. That's industry language for everything just changed and we don't have a playbook for what comes next. Think about that. The people literally fighting on the front lines of AI security are saying we've crossed a threshold. Not that we're approaching it, not that it's coming, it's already here. And the numbers back this up. Claude was weaponized by state actors to run coordinated campaigns. This isn't theoretical. This isn't, well, theoretically AI could be used for bad things. This is, it's happening right now, at scale, and the bad guys are winning. So what does Anthropic do? They disclose it. They warn people. They try to get ahead of it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Once this knowledge is out there, every other state actor, every sophisticated hacker group, they're all thinking the same thing. And that's exactly why Anthropic's announcement might have just opened Pandora's box. So what does this mean for you, for the AI industry, for the future of cybersecurity? First, AI is now a weaponized tool in cyber warfare, officially, not theoretically, actually. Second, the AI companies that built these models have a new responsibility. They can't just ship features and hope for the best. Third, we're entering an era where AI developers aren't just building software anymore. They're building national security infrastructure, whether they want to or not. Anthropic's disclosure this week wasn't just a warning. It was a reset. It's saying, the old rules don't work anymore. We need new frameworks, new defenses, new thinking. The question is, will the rest of the industry listen? If you're watching this, you now understand something most people don't. AI security just became everyone's problem. Not just Anthropic's problem, not just tech companies' problem, everyone.
Thanks for watching AI Handbook. This stuff matters. Let me know in the comments, what do you think should happen next? Subscribe for more stories like this, and I'll see you in the next one.